Move your files to OneDrive for Business_2. Welcome to M365 Professional. After you sign up for Microsoft 365 for Business, you'll want to copy your personal files to the OneDrive that comes with your new business subscription. For example, if you're switching from Microsoft 365 for Family to Microsoft 365 for Business, you'll copy files from one OneDrive to the other. Let's get started. To add OneDrive for Business, locate the OneDrive icon on your taskbar and select it. Open the Settings menu. Select Settings. Then on the Account tab, choose Add an Account. Enter your Microsoft 365 business email address. Select Sign In. Then enter your password to complete the sign-in process. Select Next. Complete the Get to Know Your OneDrive wizard. Then select Open My OneDrive folder. To move files from your personal OneDrive to OneDrive for Business, open a new File Explorer window and navigate to your personal OneDrive folder. Select the files you want to move. Then drag and drop them to your OneDrive for Business folder. Blue arrows beside your files mean that they are syncing to the cloud. When they are done syncing, you'll see green check marks. If you have Google Drive or Dropbox on your desktop, you can copy those files in the same way. That's it. You can now access your OneDrive files from any device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.